Hey guys, it's Boo by me. How y'all doing? Good, I hope. Anyways, look at this. What's in the fridge? What's in the fridge? Oh, look at all these good beers. Look at all these good beers. Oh yeah, what's in the fridge? Oh, Chad, you might like this. Oh yeah, Pinnacle 1859 cider. That's some good stuff. Oh, what's down here? Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, what's in the fridge? There's a 2012 version and a 2011 version of the St. Ambrose Vintage Ale. Excuse me. Ooh. There's a Celebrator, which is very old. There's some Innocent Gun beers. Oh, look at this, St. Ambrose. You got 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. Oh yeah. And you got some, oh, look at that. Look at that Collingwood beers. Oh, side launch. Oh, what's that in the back? Look at all these good beers. Oh yeah. Anyways, that's what's in my fridge. So, if you see anything you want me to review, send me a message. I'll do it nice and slow so you can see what's in here. Boom. There's the back row. Boom. Second video.